tips and tricks that you can use to fix your high ping issues in Windows. So let's first go to registry editor, expand the HK local machine, go to software, select Microsoft. From here select Windows NT, go to current version and select multimedia, go to system profile, and from here change the network throttling index value to 8 capital Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and hit OK. And after this, go to device manager, click on network adapters, select your Wi-Fi and go to properties, select advanced, and for channel width for 5 GHz, the value should be set to auto. Select the roaming aggressiveness to lowest, and also if you want to have your preferred band, you can select prefer 5 GHz band for faster Wi-Fi and internet and click OK. And also don't forget to update your driver, fastly search automatically for drivers. And after that you can change DNS server on your Wi-Fi network or internet network. So go to Windows and type network, new network connections, and select your Wi-Fi. Go to properties. From here go to internet protocol version 4, click on properties, and you can use the different DNS servers to make your internet faster and lower your ping values. And click OK. So these are some of the methods that you can use to fix high ping values or high ping issues in Windows 10 or Windows 11.